Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about cryptocurrency, and we talk about other wealth creation ways of investing. Okay, so I'm on earningswhisper.com. As you can see, we have a couple of stocks reporting this week. We have AMD will report on 5/3, so that'll be on Tuesday. AMD will report. Also, we have SoFi will report on next week, 5/10, and we have Block. Block was known as Square prior. It has since changed its name to Block. So those are three stocks that will report. Also, Upstart Holdings will report next week. But the three other stocks I want to talk about tonight is Tesla, Block, AMD, and a index fund called Vanguard Technology Fund. Okay, so I'll talk about Vanguard Technology Fund first. Vanguard Information Technology ETF, exchange traded fund, is a fund basically which is a mix of stocks. So we have in the fund Apple 22%, we have Microsoft 17%, Nvidia 5.44%, and then we have some others, MasterCard, Broadcom, and Adobe less than 1%. So that's what you get when you invest in the Vanguard Information Technology Fund. So that's a great way to invest if you're not sure about one single stock, but you do like technology. Invest in the VGT. Okay, so it's the VGT. You can buy it here on Robinhood platform, and it's available for you. Okay, another stock I want to talk about tonight is Tesla. I like the price of Tesla right now, trading at $877. It did trade earlier this year, almost, at almost $1,120 per share, $1,140 per share. So I think right now is a great time to pick up some Tesla shares while it's trading way below $1,000 per share. And I think, this EV race is just getting heated up between Tesla and Ford. Okay, so Tesla is the #1 EV seller, but right now they're trading below $877. Okay, so check out Tesla. I think that's a great share to pick up this week. Pick up some shares of Tesla, even if they're fractional. Like I said, $877 per share. All right. And you can always catch some of my stock picks during the week on my Instagram channel. I do post at chili.nj. I do post on Friday was the SQQ, and on last Wednesday, Apple, PayPal, and Nvidia spiked up. Okay, so let's go back to the stocks this week that will report. AMD, like I said, will report on Tuesday. Let's take a look at the stock AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Stock trades right now about $85 per share. This is down over 30-40%. If you bought in the stock late November, the stock was trading as high as $161 per share. So I still think AMD by Lisa Su is a great stock to buy into. Again, it has a 52-week low of $72.50. I'm thinking maybe this could be a great time for the stock to rally after they announce their earnings call. Again, this stock, I think a fair price on AMD is around $120 per share. I think this stock right now is trading way below market value. So check out AMD. Again, they will report on Tuesday. As you can see, they report on May 3rd. They will talk about how much revenue they had for the quarter, new contracts with different clients they have, and then they will talk about future forecasts for the next 3 or 4 months. What are they projecting in sales, and in terms of how well they think they'll do over the next 3 months. Even though we are in a bear market, do not sleep on AMD. Okay. So already you can see CNBC's talking about earning his playbook, guide to next week's features, AMD, Uber, but keep your eye on AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, led by Lisa Su. Again, this stock is something I really feel that is undervalued. It may rally for a day, but I guarantee you this stock will be in the hundreds probably by the end of the year. So again, Advanced Micro Devices, I believe that's way undervalued. It does have 52-week low of $72.52. Only thing I don't like about AMD, they do not pay a dividend. As you can see, they don't pay a dividend currently, but the stock is currently in growth mode. It's not matured. As we saw earlier last year, stock was trading about $160 per share back in November. Again, I think this is bargain basement prices. We are in a bear market and we may go into a recession. But again, I feel like AMD is a great company and it will make its way back to the hundreds. Okay, so that's a stock to look out for this week. Let's see what happens during AMD's earnings call and see if the stock will pop 5 or 10%. All right. Next stock we'll talk about is Block. Block, formerly known as Square. They will report this week. Put stock after it. Okay. Block is trading down considerably since November as well. Block was trading earlier this year at $247. I haven't sold my Block, but if you're new, this is a great time to get into some of these great stocks like Block. Under $100 for a stock that last year was trading at $200. Okay. So again, this stock is led by the experienced Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey at one point was the CEO of Twitter. He was also the founder of Twitter. So it's really, to me, it's no surprise that Jack Dorsey would advise Elon Musk to buy the company of Twitter, because they're basically both Silicon Valley giants, and they have similar visions. One thing Jack Dorsey did with Square, both have created two great fintech companies. Jack Dorsey created Square, or better known as Block today, and Elon Musk created PayPal way back in the day. So they're both of kind of the same mindset of fintech. How can you do purchasing over the internet? So anyway, Jack Dorsey, again, owns Square, or better known as Block now today. They will report this week, and we'll see what happens. Let's see if they can beat Wall Street estimates and see if they give positive guidance for going forward. Also, Jack Dorsey, this week, he did change his title to Block Head, not CEO any longer, because he wants everyone to know that he's part of the blockchain movement. Okay, so that was another reason for changing the name, not just because, the fad. He actually believes in the new technology of blockchain technology. So that's one thing that also happened in the company. But overall, I believe the company is a pretty solid company. And again, they will report this week. We'll see if it's all positive. It does have a 52-week low of $82. So it could be a possibility with some tech going another 10% down. This thing could probably get as low as $90. Otherwise, if the stock does rally, here's what you might see. The stock may rally for a day, but it'll probably come back to the $99, okay? Simply because we're in a bear market. We saw Apple do the same thing last week, rally 4 or 5% during the day, and then close the next day at down 2%. So be wise about this. If you're going to be long-term, there's really no hurry to buy in, but I still think catching Square at under $100 is a great deal. But like I said, since we're in this bear market and after Amazon's negative estimates last week. The stock dropped 14%. I think there's still going to be some negative sentiment in the NASDAQ market. Okay, so be on the lookout for Block next week. They will report next week. Block will report on 5/5. So Block will report on, I think next, what's that? Friday or Thursday. Block will report their earnings call for the week. Okay, so that's my news for tonight. Again, be on the lookout. AMD will report. Shopify will report. Pfizer will report. Block will report next week. These other ones, SoFi and Upstart, they will report the following week. So again, a great bargain to get into right now is Tesla. Tesla again is trading way below $1,000 per share. And I want to thank whoever used my link. I just got my free share of stock of Tesla. So I want to thank for whoever used my link to join Robinhood. And as always, please like, share my videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Good night, everybody.